Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to add digital downloadable product with WooCommerce. But before jumping into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks, and it inspired me to make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learner as well. Okay, let's get started. This is my e-commerce website and I want to add a digital downloadable product in this tutorial. So go to the admin dashboard. I hope already you have installed and activated the WooCommerce plugin. After install and activating the WooCommerce plugin, WooCommerce and product option will be added in left side menu. Okay, so hover on products and click on add new product. Add a new product, you have to give the product title here. I want to give my ebook. My first ebook, it will be the downloadable or digital product name. Okay, then the product description, you have to give description here. I can give a dummy description, like copy and paste it. This is the dummy description. Okay, here then the scroll down, then product data is a very important settings. You have to, if you click the down arrow, you can see it shows lots of options. You have to select simple product. Then the virtual and downloadable, I want to make digital downloadable product, so must be I have to select it, downloadable product. And another thing is virtual, I have to select it as well. That's why if you don't select virtual, then it will ask the shipping cost. Okay, this is the digital and downloadable product, so shipping cost will no record for this, so you have to select virtual. Otherwise you have to give the shipping cost, so select virtual and download. Then the regular price, I want to give like 50 pixel and it's final. Right now I don't offer any sale. Okay, then the downloadable file, you have to add the file from here, so click add file, then the source file you can select from here, and this file will be like PDF or GIF. Okay, so I want to upload file from my computer, so select file, then this is the file, then insert file from the right side bottom. Okay, then the download limit unlimited. That's mean if anybody purchases this product, then he or she will be able to download it for unlimited time. But if you give like here 5, that's mean he will be able to download it only 5 times. So I want to keep like unlimited. Okay, then the download expiry never, that's mean it will be available for lifetime, but I want to give only for 1 year, so 365, that's mean after the 1 year it will no longer for download anymore. Okay, so if you want, then you can give here for never, that's mean the lifetime. Okay, I want to give like 365. Then the short description is optional, but if you want, then you can give it. I give the dummy text here. Then the scroll up, then you can see from right side. Okay, product image, you have to select image from here, click here, then the upload, select files. This is the product image, open it. From the right side bottom, set product image. Okay, just scroll down, then you can see product categories. If you want, then you can select category from here, or if you want, then you can add new category, like I want to give here add new category, then my book, this is the category, then click over here add new category. And if you want, then you can add text, like I want to give here ebook. Okay, then comma, my book. If you want, then you can give tag from here, just scroll up and publish it. Finally, let's check how does it work. So visit the product, let's try to purchase it. So I want to purchase one product or one copy, like 1. You can see this is the increase and decreasing, so keep 1 and add to cart. Then go to the cart page and check out. Okay, give the filling details, necessary information here. Then select the payment method. I want to give like direct bank transfer and place order. You can see my order is pending on hold, so select it and completed it. Select complete and apply. Okay, now this is the order page. Go to the my account page and navigate to the downloadable tab. This is the downloads. Okay, and you can see my downloadable product is showing here. So now I can download from here. Click here. Okay, the book has been downloaded. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add digital downloadable product with WooCommerce. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.